Hey, this is Brett. I'm going to quickly show you how Hotspots work on Mindstamp, the interactive video platform. Hotspots allow you to turn any portion of your video into a clickable area. That means you can activate any element on screen and map it to a click action for your viewers to let them learn, understand, take action, engage, you name it. Let's see how it works. Here in Mindstamp, we've got a video loaded in the standard editing interface. We've got no interactions yet. Down below the video, you can see our interaction bar. These are all the things that we can add to a video in Mindstamp, including drawings, images, buttons, questions, hotspots, audio and video clips. Today we're going to add a hotspot. So I'm going to go ahead and play this video. And as it's playing, whenever I see something on screen that I want to call out and make clickable, I can just go ahead and press the Add Hotspot button. Just like that, we now have this nice box that appears on the screen. This box, we can move it around, we can resize it, we can even rotate it by using this control over here. But it's got this nice pulsing indicator that says, hey, something's clickable here. You should pay attention and maybe click on it. But if you want to make a hidden hotspot, you can just go ahead and turn that off by toggling that Show Hotspot Indicator button. We're going to leave it on for right now. I'm going to add a label and say cat. That gives the viewer some context as to what they're looking at. Down here, you see, like every other interaction on Mindstamp, we've got a show time and a hide time. Show time being what time in the video should this interaction show up, what time should this hotspot show up on screen, and the end time being what time should it go away. But for a hotspot, we're typically looking at a moving image that we want to highlight, so we like to pause. We can go ahead and press this pause for hotspot button, and that changes the finish time to a pause length. So right now it says we're going to show this at 8 seconds, and we're going to pause the video for 5 seconds to give the viewer a chance to engage with this hotspot. Let's change that to 10. Next, we've got click action and click value. Every clickable element in Mindstamp has a click action. Click action meaning what happens when the viewer clicks on this element, whether that's a button, question, image, hotspot. And those actions can take one of the standard actions, including opening a link, like to your website. You can change the video time to skip ahead or behind. You can collect the response to collect feedback or form submissions. You can show a message to reinforce learning or correct their thinking. You can open an image, change to a new video to create a choose your own adventure experience. You can just track the click if you'd like. You can play an audio or video clip to add some extra context or information. Or you could start an email or phone call if you're looking to drive more customers. In this case, let's say we're going to open a link. What link do we want to open? Let's say cats.com. I think that's a good call here. And at this point, we're done. We're not going to cover variable names and values in this right now. But right now, we've set up a hotspot to show at 8 seconds, pause for 10 seconds with a label of cat, and when they click on it, we're going to open a link of cats.com. Let's save that, and now when the video comes, it's going to pause for 10 seconds. There's our hotspot pulsing. When I scroll over it, we can see that we've got something clickable. We can go ahead and click this, and just like that, we open cats.com. Around since 1991. Wow. Super simple. Allows you to turn any portion of your video into an activated clickable area. That's how hotspots work, and that's how they're used for. If you have any questions, please do let us know. Thanks.